Nay, mas sa kwarto there.
Madam, this one, small Tisami. Small Tisami man, Mayan, Facebook. My Facebook, small Tisami man. For only 96 pesos. My Facebook,
pausa
small
siya.
Tisami man, 96 Facebook.
Bale, masakot na siya. Dili ka gawas. No. Next up, Madam. Madam Jocelyn Bore, yours is si lugar. Please go screenshot. 123, 123. Second minor. Madam Jobs Adaso. Wait, ang ganda ng kulay, ang ganda ng tela. Medium to semi-large, 96. Mayan, Temptation. My Temptation, medium to semi-large, 96 pesos. My Temptation, medium to semi-large, 96. Temptation, malambot ang tela. Next naman.
My Temptation, Adam, medium to large. Medium to large for only 96 pesos. Mayan blood. Mine blood, madam, medium to large for only 96. Mine blood, medium to large for only 96. Mayan blood, next one, madam.
Madam Jobs Adasop, yours is si Temptation. Please go screenshot, Madam Jobs. 123, 123, second minor. Madam Margie Castillo. Check ko siya. Next na, Madam Dom, ang ganda. Uy, kawapo. Ang dami na maganda, Madam. Wala akong masabi. Madam, up to large, 96. Best fit to large, Mayan Talento. Mayan Talento, up to large, 96 pesos. Mayan Talento, up to large, 96. Super nice, super lambot. Mayan Talento blood. Next na, Madam.
Mayan
Talento.
Next, madam. Madam, Evie Baliton, yours is si blood. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam. Now this one, Sammy Med. Sammy Med for only 96. Mayan, Paris. Mine, Paris, madam. Sammy Med. For only 96 pesos. Mine, Paris. Mine, Paris. Next, madam.
Mayan Paris. Madam Jo Bencos. Yours na si Talento, Madam. Please go screenshot. 123, 123. Second minor. Madam Jobs Adaso. Uy, Dom, ang ganda. Double XL. Pa-oversize, Madam. Best fit to double XL. Mayan, oversize. Mine, oversize. Up to double XL. Dami maganda mo ng alma, no? Tapos size mo, Madam Charis. Mayan, oversize, up to double XL for only 96. Oversize, up to double XL. Next na, Madam.
Mine oversized. Down this one small. Small madam for only 96 pesos. Mine lights madam. Small madam for only 96. Mine lights madam. Small for only 96. Mine lights next na madam.
Mayan likes. Madam Margie Castillo. Yours is the oversized, Madam Margie. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam. For only, ganun siya makapil-apil dito. Next na, Madam. For only 96. Kili. Dagi lang kaday. Wait lang, Dam, ha. Ayusin natin itong angle, Madam. Dam, next. Ay, ang ganda nito daw, medium. Best fit to medium. Mine iyak. Mine iyak up to medium for only 96 pesos, Madam. Mine iyak up to medium, 96. Iyak, best fit to medium. Malambot ang tela. Ganda, Madam. Mine iyak, parang yishun on tag to, Madam. Next na, Madam.
Mine iyak. Down large to XL. Large to XL for only 96 pesos. Mine gift. Mine gift, madam, large to XL. For only 96 pesos, mine gift. Mine gift, madam, large to XL. For only 96. Mine gift, next na, madam.
Mayan, gift. Laban lang na Alma. May Madam Alma kahapon nag-shorts kami, Madam. Ang gaganda din ng ating shorts. Pinaghandaan talaga namin ang aming pag-new bundle. Charis. Madam, iyak. Madam Evie Baliton, yours na si iyak. Please go screenshot, Madam Evie. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Ara Tanya. We love this one. Ang cute. Tita outfit. up to, down, carry na to medium. Small to medium, lakas makatita outfit for only 96. Small to medium, mine reply. Mine reply is small to medium for only 96 pesos. Mine reply up to medium 96. Reply, next naman daw.
Mine reply, down Sammy Med. Sammy Med for only 96 pesos. Mine lupa. Mine lupa, Sammy Med for only 96. Mine lupa, Sammy Med for only 96. Mine lupa, Sammy Med 96. Next naman.
Madam Marvel CN. Ganda nito, Madam Marvel. Madam Marvel, yours na si reply. Please ko screenshot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Myra Luna Bulayon. Next na Madam, 96. Up to semi-med. Up to semi-med, 96. Kasi ano din yung last week natin daw, parang straight yung pagsisale natin. Kaya pinaghandaan talaga namin ang aming niwala. Charis. Tapos very blessed tayo daw. Naka-open tayo ng magandang bundle, Madam. Madam, up to semi-med, 96. Mayan! Madam Jenny Lynn! May tanong si Madam Jenny Lynn. Madam Jenny Lynn! Wala pa tayo schedule sa atong next live sa shorts. Puhod na sa Madam Jenny Lynn. Adam, up to semi-med 96. Mayan sizing. Mine sizing, up to semi-med 96 pesos. Mayan sizing, up to semi-med 96. Sizing! Next, ay si Madam Myra Luna pala ang nagtanong. Sorry, Madam Myra Luna. Wala na, Madam. Wala kang apil gahapon, Madam. Sayang, Madam. Next na, Madam.
Next, Madam, o down medium. Medium, Madam, for only 96 pesos. Mayan. Tempered. Mine tempered, Madam, up to medium for only 96. Mine tempered, medium, Madam, for only 96. Mine tempered. Next, Madam.
Mayan, tempered. Check ninyo itong live na kanang i-review ninyo ang mga guwapo atong mga trouser shorts. Buyag. Sige lang, Madam, basin maka-order na po tagbalik, mag-post lang tadam o teaser. Madam, sizing. Madam, Ara Tanya, yours is sizing. Please go screenshot, Madam Ara. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Check it siya. Uy, Dam, eto ang ganda ni Simon, Dam. Oh, need lang siya ng inner. Pero ang ganda talaga ng mga kulay na ganito, Madam. Up to semi-large to large. Semi-large to large for only 96. Mayan, buhay. Mine, buhay. Super nice, Madam. Semi-large to large. For only 96 pesos. Mayan, buhay. Semi-large to large, 96. Next na, Madam. Patay, wala si Kuyawan ko sa ko na mine. Isa ba si Madam Suya, nice kayo, gamitin. Ampun. May Madam Elsie. Di magul Madam Elsie. Daghan magkagkuan ni Hadam. Kanang grupo. Paulian lang Madam Elsie. Next na, Madam.
Next, Madam, o down this one, semi-med. Semi-med, Madam, for only 96 pesos. Mine cadena. Mine cadena, semi-med, for only 96. Mine cadena, semi-med, for only 96. Mine cadena. Next, Madam.
Mayan, Cadena, for only 96. Madam Evie Baliton, yours na si Buhay. Please ko screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Madam Elsie, pauliin lang daw sa mga kuyog ni mo diha daw nga masud ang masud ang shorts. Kay murag, kung ano sa tayo mong gima